Today we're at 23 Riverview Circle in Greenville, South Carolina, just steps away from the Swamp Rabbit Trail, 10 minutes away from downtown Greenville, and walking distance to some of the city's best coffee, dining, and green space. Not only are we close to downtown Greenville, but we're also minutes away from Easley. So if you want to be between them both, but not too close to either one, this is for you. This is 3-bed, 2-bath on 1/3 of an acre. And I mean, if you're looking for outdoor potential, this is it.